Okay, good evening, Rishabh. How are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you, Robin, sir?
Yeah, I am also fine, Rishabh. Yeah, today means we are talking about importance of reading book. Okay, because mostly students as well as mostly peoples, whenever we talk about it, some successful person. Every successful person, I think I read hundreds of successful person biographies. So in this way, I got only one thing, common thing. Like every person's, they got success in our life. So mostly successful person. I think 99% successful person they used to reading book. So, Rishabh, you have any idea why people they choose reading book? Because everybody, whenever we talk about our Indian people, so mostly Indian people they have no idea. They have no means any idea importance of reading. So, Rishabh, and whenever we talk about our younger, like students also, they are pursuing some preparation competition exam. So I think here means I would like mention one thing because I have a little bit knowledge about reading because I'm also read some book each every day. So that's why I have a means little bit knowledge about reading. So Rishabh, you have any idea? So please you can share with us.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So, why reading book is important? So, reading book is important because every successful person, we see every successful person who is successful today is successful because of reading books. Why reading book is so much important? So, here are some points I am enlisting, which will explain you in a better way that how and why reading book is important.
Yes.
So, first of all, I would like to highlight a point which is known as mental stimulation. Mental stimulation. What is the meaning of mental stimulation? When we read any book, then we are stimulating our mind to think about that paragraph or that sentence. So, what actually is happening in our nervous system? That we are reading a book and we are trying to analyze that what is the meaning of this sentence. So, in a way, we are trying to stimulate our nervous system in our mind that we have to understand the meaning of that. So, in the process of reading book, we are running our brain. So, first point is mental stimulation. Second point I would like to focus on that is stress reduction. We are seeing today that people are doing suicide, people are involving in unfair activities like they are taking drugs, they are taking alcohol. Reading a book is important because when you will read a book, then you will get to know about some good things, about you will get a better knowledge, and you will try to indulge in good activities. So that's why it will reduce automatically. It will reduce your stress, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Third point I would like to focus that is knowledge. When you are reading a book, then why we read a book? What is the purpose of reading a book? The purpose of reading is book to gain knowledge. If we are reading a book, then we are getting knowledge. Whether it is a book of doctor, it is a book of police, it is a book of Harry Potter, it is a book of movie, any kind of book, whether it is a novel, any kind of English book. If you are reading a book, then you are getting the knowledge. If you are reading novel, you are getting knowledge about the novel. If you are reading fiction book, then you are getting the knowledge about fiction book. So in the process of reading a book, you are getting knowledge. So the another point is of reading book is vocabulary expansion. So what is the meaning of vocabulary expansion? Vocabulary means the word we are using it to make a sentence. When we communicate to any people, then what we are doing, we are making a sentence in our mind and then we are expressing it. So what is the main ingredient of that sentence? The main ingredient of that sentence is the vocabulary, the words we are using. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. This is the vocabulary. The words comprehension, the word, the whatever word we are using, that is the vocabulary. So if you are reading a book, you will get new words, and those new words will improve your vocabulary. Another point is your memory improvement. When you are reading a paragraph, you read a paragraph of a book. So what you get from this paragraph, and then you will recall that paragraph, then it is improving your memory. For example, you read a paragraph and you make an image in your mind that this is the meaning of this paragraph. Now you don't have to go to again to read that paragraph. You just have to recall that picture in your mind, and the paragraph will automatically get clear in your mind. For example, I am going to buy vegetables from the market. It's written in the book that Sohan is going to buy vegetables from the market. You no need to read it again, because you already make a picture that a man is going to buy vegetables from the market. It's clear in your mind. So this was the point which is important, which is memory improvement. Reading book improves memory. Another point is strengthen analytical thinking skills. So how reading book strengthens your analytical thinking skills? If you are reading a book, then obviously you are reading a sentence. And when you're reading a sentence, you're trying to find out the meaning of that sentence. In the process of finding the meaning of that sentence, you are thinking. So your thinking skills will improve. For example, if a word comes like comprehension or vocabulary or any word comes, then first of all, you will try to find the meaning of that word. In that process of finding that meaning of the word, you are thinking, and it will improve your analytical thinking skills. Now coming to another very important point, which is improves focus and concentration. If you are reading a book, then you have to focus on each and every word, each and every sentence. You have to concentrate on book only. If you are doing other activities along with reading book, then you are not reading a book. Reading book is just focus on reading, just focus on understanding each and every sentence, each and every word. So reading book improves your focus and your concentration. And your focus and your concentration is important in every aspect of your life, whether it's study, whether it's sports, and in every and each and every field of your life. So reading improves your focus and concentration. Another point is reading will improve your writing skills also. How reading will improve your writing skills now? If you are reading a book, then you will form an image in your mind and you will automatically make sentence out of it. And when you will make a sentence out of it, you can write the sentence in your notebook. So in this way, reading also improves your writing skills. Last but not the least, reading is not a burden. People take it as a burden that we have to complete a book today, or we have to complete 30 pages, or we have to complete 20 pages today. Reading is not a burden. Reading is entertainment. Reading is enjoyment. Reading is fun. Why reading is fun? You read a paragraph and you make an image in your mind. It's like a movie. Then it becomes a movie. The movie plays in your mind. You read another page, another movie comes to your mind. And when you join those short movies, it becomes a full movie. Full movie which is related to your book and which is important. So it's totally entertainment, it's fun, it's enjoyment. It's nothing like a burden. So what people do mistake is people take it as a burden. So reading book is not a burden at all. You can enjoy reading book. How you can enjoy reading book? You don't have to learn each and every sentence, each and every word. You just have to make a picture in your mind and then correlate that picture with that sentence. So if you have to be successful in your life, then reading book and reading book is important. You just have to focus on reading book. So last but not the least, I would like to say that if a person is successful in his life, then go in his past. You will find he read so many books. And it's true in every case. You can go to every biography, any biography of any person. You will find that he read so many books. So reading book is very important in every aspect of life. Thank you so much, Rabin sir.
Yeah, means and again, thank you, Rishabh, because I know means you explained very means properly. And second thing, you also mentioned very remarkable point. Like whenever people they read book and they also improve, they can improve our memory and they can also improve our vocab and they can means improve our concentration also. I think these are very important things because mostly youngers, like whenever we talk about it, mostly students, so they face lots of problem. Like whenever we means I met some students, they told about whenever I started reading book and I started means anything material and while reading, while preparation, I did not I do not maintain like a concentration. So it is also very good things you also mentioned. I think but here means I would like to mention one thing. Please, you read a book if you have interested. Means for example, if you have any interested any fields so same book you purchase and after that you started reading 100%. It is very helpful in our life because means Rishabh also mentioned very good point in our speech. 100% means I hope anybody they will watch video and after that 100% they will get good means result because mostly people they having lots of time. So I think in this video Rishabh means he has also mentioned very good point. And thank you, Rishabh. Means share means our thoughts with me. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for inviting me.